May is upon us, which means May Mayhem is upon us. If you're not familiar, last year GALA Games gave away $1 million worth of prizes to people that participated. This year they're giving away $4 million worth of GALA to anyone that participates amongst 3 games. I believe it's going to be 3. Townstar, of course, the OG, Spider Tanks, as well as League of Legends. Don't quote me on that one. This video I want to cover Spider Tanks, which in my opinion is the most fun game on the blockchain right now that anybody can play. It's interactive. It gives me first-person shooter vibes, guys. There's strategy, there's healing, you can team shoot. It's just my type of competitive game that is much fun to play, guys. So if you want to play this game with me, hit me up in my Telegram, join GALA Games, create an account using my referral, and we'll hop in and play some Spider Tanks. But now let's get on. I'll talk about what Spider Tanks is, how you can be part of this event, and guys, the money that is there to earn. Without further ado, let's jump into it. And this, my friends, is Spider Tanks. This is a MOBA type game, a 3v3 battle arena from a bird's eye view, as you can see, where you can battle with different tanks, different bodies do different things. Some are quicker, some have more armors, different weapons. As you can see, I'm rocking the Snoop weapon. It's like, it sort of shoots like a base. It's kind of fun, actually. There's also a matching car, like a lowrider. So there's a lot of fun stuff, fun NFTs that you can rock in this game. But guys, I'm sharing this with you because you can earn money right now playing this game. It is May, and if you know what GALA Games does in May, well, you're an OG. You've been around, guys. Last year in the month of May, GALA Games gave away $1 million worth of prizes. This year in the May Mayhem event, GALA Games is giving away $4 million worth of prizes, and a lot of those are gonna be for playing Spider Tanks. 1.5 million worth of them are in Spider Tanks alone. There are 2 other games that you can play. Obviously Townstar, that's the OG, that's the game that's been around for a while, and that's the only one for last year's event. But this year it's Townstar, it's Spider Tanks, and I want to say it's going to be Legends, League of Legends as well, which is sort of a card playing game. All of them are on the GALA Games store, as well as GALA Games games page. You can go and check them out. But what I want to share with you is the actual prizes for Spider Tanks, because this game is fun. If you can see right here, this is a very interactive game. There's some strategy involved. You can heal each other. You can, double team shoot, all these kinds of things. So this is my type of game. I am more of a competitive gamer. I like first-person shooters, and this is as close as it gets. And this, I have to say, by far is the most fun play-to-earn game that you can play right now on the blockchain. I mean, what other game can you play on the blockchain that's play to earn that has these kinds of dynamics, guys? So this is why I'm sharing this, in addition to the prizes that you can get, and it's free to play because of the event of May Mayhem. So you don't actually need an NFT to play. If you have an NFT, I believe it's gonna help you out, especially in the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th week. But first week, guys, all you have to do literally is play, and I'm gonna show you here in a second what that entails. So let's hop over to that. So here we are on the Spider Tanks May Mayhem page, and this is a Medium article, and I'm going to have this link down in the description, but you can come and look at this for yourself. Essentially, I want to highlight, guys, $4 million worth of GALA that's going to be distributed throughout the month of May. In addition, there are going to be NFTs across several titles that are going to be airdropped to you. So this was a snapshot taken on April 29th at, I believe, 11:59 p.m. Pacific time. And if you had a GALA NFT, any GALA game NFT, regardless of the actual game it's associated with, you have a chance of getting a free NFT airdrop. So they're gonna just pick random NFTs, and they're gonna say, hey, if any of our user base has this NFT in a GALA associated wallet, we are going to airdrop them a free NFT. So there's that on top of the $4 million worth of GALA that are going to be distributed. So let's go and take a look at what Spider Tanks will give us. You can see here, there are 4 weeks, right, throughout the month of May. Week 1, literally all you have to do is play. You don't have to win. You don't have to be MVP. You just play. So there's going to be $250,000 worth of GALA distributed. 1.1 to 2% of the most played matches throughout that week get 125k distributed, and the 3 to 10% of most played matches get 125,000. Second week, most wins, right? So now it's going to become a little more competitive, and I believe in the second week the actual NFT tanks that you own will also become part of the game. So first week, all the tanks are going to be the same, all the levels are going to be the same. It's going to be very even playing field. Second, third, and fourth week, it's going to become more competitive. If you've got a legendary tank, you're obviously going to more than likely outgun a uncommon or common tank, for example. So most wins for the second week, and then MVP status is achieved. So at the end of every game, you get a chance of becoming an MVP depending on how you performed, right? If it's team deathmatch, if you have the most kills, you're MVP and your team wins. If it's capture the chickens, where you have to collect chickens and drop them off in a bucket, it's usually the person that collects the most chickens, and so on. And fourth week, it is also the best win rate based on at least 40 matches. So if you've got a good win-loss ratio, the top 10 to 15% split $250,000, guys. So you can come again, check out this link. It's down in the description for more details if you want to look through this, guys. But yeah, this is it. This is free money on the table. You can go and join, guys. Use my referral code down below to create your Gala Games account and start playing Spider Tanks. Hop in my Telegram. I'm making Spider Tank teams all the time. So it's a 3 group team, right? 3 people in a group. Jump in the Telegram, hit me up, and I'll play with you guys. So go ahead and create your account, guys, and we'll hit some games up. I'm looking forward to this. This is going to be a fun month. I hope you like this content. If you like it, hit the like, hit the subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.